talaga bumalik na ako kasi may advocacy na ako. Opo. Saka siguro, I was meant to be a part of this, di ba? Yes, definitely. Oh, sure, sir. So, when meron may mga events or occasions or whatever, feel free. I would love to be there. Oh, yes, definitely. Oh, that's great. That's great. Look to my passion is a part of that. So, anytime, it's called, sir, okay? And hopefully, sakali meron din akong events and I can actually invite you as well. Like si sir, meron din mga siya i-launch na oh yes, definitely. Okay, good.
As well as our lives, the lives namin, business lives. Nakutusin kasi ako ng party, next time namin.
Kaya nga, next time, you text me so at least I can also send your numbers if you don't mind. Okay, you got my number. Okay. Mr. L, okay? Yes, ma'am.
Would you join the short meeting with us?
Sure. Whatever you use. Oh, thanks. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Ang yaman yung mga to. Just text me and let me know. Sorry, so I can say what's your name. I mean your number. This is my number. Okay, thank you. Pinababa ko lang sa at yung nag-send pinababa ko lang. Ito to, going na po kasi. I'm her personal assistant and secretary as well. Yun ang kaano na system. Nako, ito ba? Biting na lang tarihan? Sige. Okay. Okay.
Madam President,
President of Union, wala sa secretary.
Rolling.
Okay, I'll be there. Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Smoking niya. Ano? Hindi.
Kala ko magsasayaw tayo. Yun na ba? Yun na ba ang usapan?
After this month, so we're going to dance the whole night. Hindi ko na lang pupunta si Don. Ay, si Ronald na lang pupunta si Ronald.
O, si Ronald ka na yun.
Nakita ko yung hindi
Kasi kombinasyon na ng gay at
fraternal paternal social, kaya whatever the secretary does, this is not gay. Supply the
Pwede nyo get your beer.
okay. Please when treasurer, tulad sabi ko, di natin mabuhay ang torno to, walang pera. And I believe somebody was the connection.
In-announce mo na kayo eh.
Oo, tinanggap na pala yung thinking eh. Akalokin mo pa natin. So, Mr. Past President Jun Velasco, immediate treasurer.
At ang experience pagiging
She's proposing a woman.
Gusto
Gusto mag-alis. Proposing a woman.
Maganda.
Sino?
Sama-sama.
Dali.
Damihan mo.
Pero sorry, tayo auditor. Ayaw mag-audit. Pakusintingin ko si Ren.
Kasi yan ang magpapaganda.
Mistake na, di ba
Sige,
siya?
Remember mo muna.
Audit member po.
Auditor ka, auditor.
Marunong ba ako mag-audit? Mas marunong akong gumastos eh.
Ay,
Dangerous.
dangerous.
Yun, is
PRO.
Oh, PRO, yes. PRO, yes.
We have no position.
Public and private relations.
Yes, yes.
Patayin din.
Pwede kang mag-auditor, bro.
May pita ko.
PRO's paying
Hindi, magkapasa naman kayo, magkakaskwela naman kayo.
Hindi, kasi ang taga-MLQU, treasurer at saka auditor pa lang yan.
Gano'n?
Tignan mo si Abal at saka siya.
Gusto rin naman nila. Let us give chance to you members.
Ako okay ako sa PRO. Yeah, okay ako doon.
PRO, sige.
Bagay sa akin yan.
Bagay na bagay.
Pero kailangan public and private yun.
It's okay.
Okay.
I'm good at both.
This club will be happy with the presence.
Oh, really? Okay.
Everybody will inspire.
Yeah, see? Meron na inspiration na lang.
Talaga? It's
Si Becky.
an honor.
Dahil parang like na alamin.
Ngayon lang ako kumanda ng pala.
Ay, masarap kumanta na ako pero.
Ngayon lang. Ngayon
Si
ko
Becky sa
kumanda.
Natura.
Sa Natura.
International, si Becky. Kasi basically,
Saka another good news with our commitment to the Santa Rosa with LA Padua, ang ating PWD na project,
June 30, di ba?
June 30, we'll be launching it. Also, the PAMAS.
so we're going to have two project. PAMAS,
That is started on October 10, 2010. That's 10-10-10.
Uy, okay ah.
Yeah.
5 months from now. Ang mag-present ng PAMAS is Rotary Club Metro Club.
Great,
it's
great.
PAMAS in cooperation with Rotary Metro Cubao. PAMAS.
Rotary Metro Cubao.
Present PAMAS. That will be for 3 years.
Fundraising. Not only fundraising, but basically to flip both
So to big project agad.
Hindi yan tayo, artista na.
So pipili ka na sa bayan. Pili ka na sa bayan.
Pagkamas tayo eh.
Maybe in the future, Mr. President, PAMAS President will invite us to be a member of PAMAS also.
Oo nga.
As a board of directors. Yeah, the President will open the door for us.
You'll be the presenters.
And then, isipin natin, siya will be the one to produce PAMAS policy. And ayaw ko mag-discuss ng iba pa.
To be followed.
Leave it to them.
Yes.
Okay?
Followed.
So,